share my screen. Oh, look. Oh, look at these pictures. We have some landscapes. They are called landscapes. Landscapes, okay? So tell me, which one do you think is the best landscape to visit, to go, to travel to?
I think the river.
A river. And do you know where they are? For example, this one or this one or this one. Do you know? Do you know what it is? B? Do you know what it is?
What's that?
Desert, right?
Yeah.
Desert, of course. Do you know any deserts?
Yeah, Sahara Desert.
Oh,
Gold
very, yeah, very good. And what is the, we can say the largest, the biggest desert in the world?
Yeah, it's Sahara Desert.
Yeah, of course. And look at, oh, this one. Oh, do you know this landscape, this area? The
The
Arctic.
Arctic.
So, Arctic, of course. You know that actually the icy area, North and South Pole is called Arctic, really cold, really icy. And we have mountain, and we have ocean, we have rainforest. Okay, well, so first of all, as you can see, Sarah, we have some adjectives to describe these landscapes. Now, let's put the adjectives in the correct column. So, for example, for desert, what adjectives we can use? It's dry and
Dry and it's dry
and
and hot.
it's really hot, of course, and we can say it's huge, really huge, yeah?
Yeah.
Of course. Is that beautiful?
Yeah.
I think it's really beautiful. And how about the tropical rainforest? So let's use some adjectives. It's, first of all, it's beautiful. Yeah?
Yeah.
And it's okay. We can say it's wet. Yeah, because you know that it has a lot of rain, so it's wet. Yeah, wet is the opposite of dry. Dry, opposite of wet. And what else?
Dry wet. Dry wet. Dry and wet.
No, dry is opposite of wet. Dry for desert with no rain, wet for tropical forest with a lot of rain. And wet or humid, both of them are synonyms. Wet and humid. And what else? Warm or cold?
Warm or cold?
I think maybe warm.
Warm.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think so. And tell me, okay, about the next one, the Arctic, this one. Oh, so cold. So which one?
Arctic.
Arctic, of course. It's freezing.
Freezing.
Very cold, of course. Very cold, freezing. And
Freezing and
Yeah, it's
Why?
huge. Yeah, very large, huge, very big. And what else?
Why? Why do
Wide,
we?
we can say, yeah, wide normally, for example, can be used for oceans or, for example, rivers. So, but so of course you can say, and it's wide area. And we have the mountain. So which one?
The mountains? Mm, I think it's not mountains, it's volcanoes.
Where is this one? Yeah, you think it's volcano?
No, this look like volcanoes.
I don't know. It doesn't look like.
But
Because it's next to the ocean. It's the the water. I don't think. But
but
yes, you're right,
but
because yeah, it looks like, but I'm
yeah,
not
but
sure.
I study at school. It's like yeah,
It's
it's volcanoes.
it's volcano, but I think it's okay. So we say, so no worry, so no matter. So if it's volcano or mountain, volcano of course is a kind of mountain. So, but
Yeah.
because let me say, if it was like volcano, we had it here because, for example, volcano is hot, it's warm, but mountain, no, it's not hot, it's cool. So because of this, I say it's not volcano, but it's okay, you can say volcano. So what adjectives? So if it's
For
Arctic, we can say icy. Yeah, it's icy.
mountain is icy.
No, the Arctic is icy. The Arctic.
Yeah, and it can be freezing.
Yo, of course, freezing. Too freezing to stay. And
And
of course,
be
yeah,
wet. It can be wet.
wet. Yeah. But you know that no, it's not wet. You know why? Because we have no rain in Arctic. There is no rain,
Yeah,
just snow, just ice.
but does
So
ice is melt? It's melt.
no, 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 no. It doesn't. So let me say something. Because it's too cold, when we say wet, when somewhere, for example, an area has got lots of rain, we say it's wet. But when it's ice, especially in North and South Pole, and you know that Arctic is one of that we say Antarctica is one, I think the biggest or one of the biggest deserts. It means without rain. So not wet.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So what other adjective?
I see.
Yeah, of course. And the next one?
Freezing.
Yeah, no, mountain. I'm talking about mountain.
Oh, okay. A mountain it can be beautiful.
Yeah, of course, of course.
It's huge.
And yeah, and you know that for Arctic, we can say that Arctic is very dry, very dry.
Why?
Because, as I told you, there is no rain, just cold, and, freezing snow. So, because of this. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And now let's keep going. Okay, so Sarah, if you want to watch, for example, a video about the animals that live in one of these landscapes, which one would you like to see? Because you know that we have different animals in different landscapes. So if you want to watch one of them, which one would you like? Which one is more interesting to you?
I don't know. I like all of this.
Maybe you can choose one of them that you have no idea about the animals and different species that live in the area. So you can choose one of them and we can watch together.
Ah, I like them. See the place is the coral reef.
Okay, so let me see. So I think it's good to watch something about on the water. Yeah? Creatures
Yeah.
on the water. Okay, just one moment. Okay. In the ocean. So let's see. I think this one is good. Just if I can find a ooh, what is this? Oh, which one? Let me see. 10 and okay. So I think one moment, please. 10 amazing sea creatures. Okay, I think this one is good one. Well,
Whoa.
well.
Evergreen presents most beautiful sea creatures in the world. 10. Royal starfish.
Oh.
Native to the western Atlantic waters of the Mexican Gulf and the United States East Coast is the royal starfish. This beautiful little fish ranges from blue to purple color with pale to bright orange marginal plates. Its arms can be around 0.8 to 4 inches in length and it can weigh around 5 kilograms.
Oh, so beautiful.
The royal starfish is carnivore by nature and eats mollusks. It captures them with its arms and then puts them into its mouth cavity. Unlike other starfish, royal starfish does not chew its food, rather it swallows it whole. 9. Philidia bobae.
Oh, look at this.
Among the shellless species of the sea slugs is one of the most beautiful sea creatures in the world, known as Philidia bobae.
Lady Bobby.
Named after the Japanese mycologist Kakitaro Baba. This beautiful little creature is found in the waters of Lion Island, Australia, South Korea, and some other places. It has silver-colored skin with multiple black rings all over its body. It has white-colored tentacles as well, with grooves that are light yellow. It can reach up to 2.7 inches in length and are harmless by nature. 8. Red lionfish.
Lionfish.
One of the most venomous coral reef fish in the world is the red lionfish. It is normally found in the Indo-Pacific waters, but has now become a very serious problem in the Caribbean Sea, as well as the eastern coast of the United States. The red lionfish, along with another species of its genus, is considered invasive. They can grow to be 18.5 inches in length and are the biggest lionfish species in the world. They have alternate stripes all over their body with color pairs like white-red, white-maroon, and white-brown. 7. Bergia caerulusens. Despite its difficult name, the Bergia caerulusens is among the most beautiful sea creatures in the world. Although it is mostly found across the central and western coasts of the Mediterranean Sea, the distribution of this species has been controversial due to some population in the Atlantic Ocean as well. The color of its body is white with numerous blue-colored serrata with yellow tips all over it. There are also some orange color marks on the forehead as well. They can be 27.5 inches in length and feed on sea anemones for food. 6. Crown of thorns starfish. Mostly found in the Indo-Pacific waters near Australia, the crown of thorns starfish is one of the most beautiful sea creatures in the world. This large-sized starfish got its name because of the enormous number of spines covering their body. These spines are venomous and are used to catch its prey as well as to keep the predators away. It is disc-shaped and has multiple arms covered with these deadly spines. They range from 9.8 to 13.8 inches in length and normally have 21 arms. 5. Deep sea jellyfish. One of the most rarely seen jellyfish in the world is also among the most beautiful sea creatures on the list. The deep sea jellyfish is among the largest jellyfish species in the world. It has a massive bell of about 39 inches as its head and has 4 long oral arms. Each of these arms is about 236 inches in length. It is very distinct, fine, and thread-like tentacles as opposed to other jellyfish of its like. They expand and contract their bell to move, push water behind, and move through it. They are carnivores and feed on small fishes, eggs, and other jellyfish.
Oh,
Jelly.
4.
so beautiful.
Ribbon eel,
Oh, ribbon eel. Oh, look at this.
also known as the leaf-nosed moray eel. The ribbon eel is the only species in the Rhinomoriana genus.
It's like snakes.
They are widely spread near the reefs of Indo-Pacific Ocean and are mostly found in the Indonesian waters.
I don't know what it's.
They have distinctly expanded nostrils. With a widely open jaw, the adults of the species are blue-colored with yellow dorsal fins,
Oh, it's
whereas in females, the blue is replaced by green.
I think.
The juveniles are black-colored with same-looking dorsal
Never
fin.
closes its jaw like this all the time.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yeah, yes, because it's open jaw, like it's all the time. Yeah.
They are around 25 to 37 inches in length and have a normal lifespan of 20 years.
Wow.
3. Flying fish.
Blackfish.
Originally named as the Exocodite, the flying fish is on the 3rd spot on the list of most beautiful sea creatures in the world.
It's underwater.
Although the flying fish cannot actually fly, they can take very high self-propelled leaps out of the water. The Exocet missile was named after them because of this characteristic. They are found in tropical and subtropical waters all around the globe. Many physical features like broad neural arches and strong link between their back and cranium helps them in their flight. They are around 7 to 12 inches in length and even reach up to 18 inches sometimes. 2. Goose barnacle. Also known as the stalked barnacle, the goose barnacle is the 2nd most beautiful sea creature on the list.
Beautiful.
No, it's not beautiful.
Scary.
They are found to be attached to the underwater hard surfaces, like rocks and flotsam, all over the world. They can reach from 2.5 to 19 inches in length and can attach themselves to any solid surface found in the water. They feed on plankton and detritus that they capture from the water using their legs. Although they might not be the most talked about species, they are one of the most beautiful creatures in the world.
It's not. I think it's not.
Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out other amazing videos on our channel and give us a like if you enjoyed this video so far. Also, tell us in the comments which one of these is most tree worm.
Oh, Christmas tree worm. Oh, this is
Belonging to
fun.
tropical oceans around the world,
Oh,
the Christmas tree worm is the most beautiful sea creature on the list. They are found in the oceans ranging from the Caribbean to Indo-Pacific and are mostly found in the tropical waters. This beautiful little worm has Christmas tree-like crowns on its head.
yeah, it looks like a Christmas tree.
These crowns have spiral plumes on them, which makes them resemble with tiny thin trees. These plumes come in different color variants with red, orange, yellow, white, and pink in the palette. In addition to making them more attractive, these plumes are used for feeding as well.
I like the last one.
I didn't like.
The first
I
one,
looked-
no. Christmas tree
No.
worm, no.
No, I didn't like that because it looks scary.
Oh, scary. Yeah, no, scary. So
Yeah.
some of them, yeah, no, scary. Maybe if it's
You didn't know it's scary, but I think it's so scary.
yeah, of course.
It's scary.
Okay, well, and now we gonna listen. Okay, so are you ready to listen and choose the correct answer?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so one moment. I hope I can find it. Please be here.
You hope you can find it. Yeah, in school, my teacher can't find that. Like, I hope like my teacher hopes to find that soon. Like you
What to find what?
to
The
find
audio?
yeah, the audio to listens. Yeah, my teacher
Track
hopes
6.
Let's
because-
see.
Ever wondered about those quiet kids at the back of the class with their noses in their
No,
books?
it's not.
Could there be more
One
than
moment.
meets the eye?
I will find it.
In this amazing adventure story, watch four
one
geeky friends
Okay.
transform themselves
one
into epic
Find
superheroes
it.
when they discover a secret potion during a
I will. This is another book. Just one moment. I will find it.
You will find it. Okay, I hope you'll find it. I hope.
So your teacher couldn't because it's really difficult to find. Yeah, okay, just one moment. I will find. So one moment. Okay, just one moment. So, okay. Okay, just.
Whoa! Teacher!
Here.
Teacher!
Yes, dear.
At 10 last minutes, can I play games?
Well,
Yeah, I like to play games. I found Roblox. I can download Roblox.
of course. So okay, so what game? The last game that we played?
I
Yeah,
will
do you remember?
the computer. Yeah, I will show Roblox
Of
on the computer.
course. Yeah,
It's fun.
I will.
Fun. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we study.
Yeah, of course. Let's study. Let's finish this part. So I'm trying to find audios, and then please be here, please. Please be here.
Audio. I hope to find the audio too.
Yeah.
Oh
I don't
God.
know why they don't share, but you know, I try to find it. No worries. So.
Okay, no worries.
Okay.
Okay, hope to find that. So, yeah.
So while I'm checking, we can do something. Let's skip this listening while I'm checking because I don't want to actually waste time. So let's do something. First of all, let's talk about, okay, first let's talk about comparative. Oh, adjective. So you know this one, of course. So we have some, yeah.
But I need to study again. It's like sometimes I didn't remember.
Of course, I will help you.
Sometimes
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Of course. Just, you know that we have long and short adjectives, right?
CD1.
Oh, what is this?
Track 1.
No, not this.
Cambridge Global English. Stage 4.
I think I found it.
By Jane Boylan and Claire Medwell.
I think I found it.
Published by Cambridge University Press.
Number 6, right?
This recording.
Please be this one. Please.
Track 6.
Ever wondered about those quiet kids at the back of the class with their noses in their books?
No, it's not.
Could there be more
So
than meets the eye?
I don't know why.
In this amazing,
But it's not. Okay, so it's okay. Don't worry. So let's talk about, my dear, comparative adjectives. So listen carefully, Sarah. We have short adjectives and long adjectives. Short adjective, like for example, tall, 1 or 2 syllable adjectives, or old, or fat, or thin. They are short adjectives. Now, when I want to compare two things or two people, I need to add er, than. For example, you are first name or first noun. You are taller than your sister. Taller. Or, for example, your mom is older than you. So that's really easy to compare two things or two people. For short adjectives, like 1 or 2 syllable adjectives, we add er. But how about long adjectives like difficult?
It's more 3 syllables. It's 3 syllables.
Or, of course, more difficult than. So I can say difficulter. I can. So I say more difficult than. For example, we say math is more difficult than English.
Yes, I hate math. I very hate math. Math
Really?
is the worst. Is the worst. The worst subjects. It's the worst
Yeah.
subjects.
Oh, you hate it?
Yes, I very hate it.
Ah,
When in the world didn't have math, I will love. I will. When school didn't have math, I will go to school every day.
ah. Of course, I know what you say, but it's like,
I hate
but we
math.
have to study, so there is no other choice. We have to study, so it's better to like. So, yeah, and yeah, now we can say something else. For example, I can say English is, because English is easier than math, so English is less difficult than math. So as you can see here, English is less difficult because English is easier. So I can use more or less, more or less, more high degree, less lower degree. Okay, so this is about long adjectives. And some adjectives like happy that ends in Y. Okay, how about these adjectives, these type of adjectives? And this Y sounds E, happy, E. So when adding E or I need to change Y to I.
Change I to I.
Happier. Then you are happier, happy with I, not Y. So
Yeah.
this way you can make comparative adjectives. Now, let's look, my dear, look. More, older, and now. So write a true, false quiz about your country. Write, oh, so about your country, So can you give me some information about your country?
Yeah. Okay. My country. It's when some travel, like some visitor go to visit to my country. Like my country will lie. Like when they visit to like to the restaurants. The owner the restaurant is very like that's very honest.
Yeah, very good. Okay, very good.
Some visitors said Vietnam is the best, yeah, the 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 best country that they visit, the best country that they visit.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's the best country to visit. So
Yeah.
why not? Maybe in the future we can visit your country, who knows? Okay. Well, and now let's see. Okay, I think I did.
Teacher,
Yes, dear.
teacher, you need to visit
Of
this my
course, I'm
country
planning.
Vietnam times.
I'm planning.
Only one time, but this in Vietnam, we love my country. We love all. We love all the countries.
Ah, of course. You know, I'm planning. Of course, I will. I'm planning to visit your country. I don't know when, but I'm trying to. So maybe in the future, who knows?
It can be future.
Yeah,
Who
of
knows?
course.
Who knows?
I
It can
will,
be future.
yeah, I will be in your country. So who knows? Maybe in the future. Okay, well, and now let's see what we have. Well, let's make some comparative adjectives. So, okay, let's compare these landscapes. Okay, Sarah, could you please make some sentences to compare these landscapes, maybe one or two of them, using short and long adjectives?
Okay. Short and long adjective. Okay. In the rainforest, uh it's more dangerous than the river. Than the river.
Yeah. More dangerous than. Very good. Yeah.
The,
And
it's cooler than desert. The desert.
yeah. It's
And then
cooler than. Yeah, of course, you're right.
and B, let's go. B, the desert, it's hotter than the Arctic.
Yeah, of course, hotter than. And we know that when an adjective ends in consonant like T, and B for consonant, we have vowel like O, hotter, double T, hotter, or fat, fatter, double T, because it ends in consonant, and B for consonant like T, okay? And B for it, we have a vowel like A or E, or O, for example. So we need to double consonant to make comparative. Very good. Well, actually, we have really interesting topic here. I think you like it. How many planets are there in our solar system? How many? What? How many? I couldn't hear you. Do you know? I can't hear.
I'm sorry, I off my mic. Sorry.
Okay, well.
Actually, 8. I can talk. I can talk. I can talk the name.
Oh, can you tell me, please?
Yes, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn. Like no, not Saturn. Like Saturn. Yeah, Saturn have.
Yeah.
Mars,
Mars,
Jupiter,
Jupiter, of course.
Neptune, and Uranus.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, perfect. And these letters list the order of the planets from nearest to furthest from sun. Can you name them? Oh, can you?
Easy, very easy. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Oh, and tell me, is Pluto a planet?
Yeah, it's a planet, but it's a dwarf planet.
Yeah, and what orbits the sun?
Earth.
Very good. What is another name for the moon?
Luna.
Oh, how long does it take for the moon to orbit Earth?
Less than 28 days.
How you know them? Good job. Very good.
I'm
Okay.
very smart. I'm very intelligent. I'm very wise. I'm very brilliant.
Of course you are. Of course you are. You are really intelligent. Of course you are. Just if I can find it, that will be great, because I'm trying to, because we need to listen, but it's really difficult to find these audios. It's really difficult. Why? Why we don't have them, do you think? I have no idea. Why? We have PDF, but we don't have audios. That's really interesting. That's why. So
we did have audios.
no, it's really difficult. So I tried a lot, but unfortunately it's really difficult to find it. I don't know why, but I want to buy, but I can't. I can find to buy. Like, so it's like, oh, let me find something. Okay, I hope. Please be this one, please.
You hope.
I hope, but I'm not sure. So let's see. Oh, no way. So it's not, unfortunately. So.
And the audios?
No, I couldn't.
Top something. It's hotter.
Don't worry, I will try to find. So I will buy. So I try to find. I will buy. So from somewhere. So it's no matter. So don't worry about it. Well, so let's read. Oh, we have.
Teacher, wait a minute.
Yes, my dear.
The hardest find to think in the word. It's the audio.
Of course, it's really difficult. And every session I need to find lots of audios.
It can be the hardest.
Yeah, of course.
Teacher, I have this. I have what is that?
Clip? Is this her clip?
Yeah, my clip to clip my hair.
Yeah, of course.
And it is my laptop. You can
what?
Like it can be like it's like magnets.
Magnet?
Yeah,
Yeah, really?
it's with metals.
Yeah, really?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh my
Yeah,
God. I can play with that. It's fun.
yeah, yeah. That's so cute. I think yeah, if it's magnetic, it's really interesting. So how? I'm not sure.
Ah, it's a little bit. No, it's the screen.
Okay, well, could you read it, please, Sarah? In our
Yeah.
solar system, thank you. But don't read quickly. I need to listen.
Yeah, okay. Oh, wait a minute. I need to talk about this.
Of course.
Okay, it's okay now.
Read.
Yeah, okay, it's okay. In our solar system, 8 planets move around suns. The nearest planet to the sun is Mercury. Mercury, followed by Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
Saturn, of course.
uh, Uranus, and Neptune.
Yeah.
Scientists you think Pluto, uh, like, uh, oh wait a minute, wait a minute, I need to fix my laptop.
What's that?
Okay, it's okay now. Uh, uh, but it's now called a dwarf planet because it's so small. There are four other known dwarf planets.
So,
The sun is in the middle of the solar system, and the planets orbit it. Earth takes 12 months to orbit the sun. Has one moon, which is sometimes called Luna by astronomers. That takes less than 28 days to travel around Earth. Okay, Jupiter it's 318 times bigger than Earth. Oh my God, teacher!
yeah,
It's bigger than Earth
yeah,
318 times. It's very big.
yeah,
No, it's the biggest planet in the Earth.
of course.
I don't, no, it's not in the Earth, like in the solar system, not in the Earth.
Yeah,
It's very big. I think it's very big. Like when I have, like when like POV, like when the Jupiter, like the Jupiter is the biggest in the solar system, biggest planet. And do you know? I remember Jupiter has 50 moons.
yeah. You remember Jupiter? What? Why?
I remember. I don't know what it's true or false, but I remember it. The Jupiter has 50, 50
Yeah, yeah, of course. A lot of moons, of course. How
moons.
many? I'm not sure. Yeah, of course, it has.
Do you know at
Six.
in small
It
when
was
I'm
Jupiter or
small,
Saturn. It was Jupiter or Saturn.
Jupiter, Saturn have more
Saturn
too.
62.
Saturn is 62. Yeah, and do you know what? I know. No, Jupiter only have 3 moons. 3 moons.
Yeah, of course. 2 moons and Saturn 62 moons. Yeah.
Oh, and yeah, and do you know like when I small, I think only Earth has moon.
Oh, of course, let me say something. Let me be honest. I didn't know anything about moon, the earth, and for example, the sun when I was in high school. Sometimes I forgot, like, no, okay, how many moons? Yeah, of course, I had no idea. It was
Yeah,
really,
yeah. When small, I once was on. I don't know what is universe. Yeah, when teacher called me, Sarah, what is how many moons that Earth have I like yes teacher I don't know.
Oh.
I don't. Yes, teacher. I I I don't know. I'm very sorry, teacher. My
Yeah.
it's too hot. Can you teach me again? I don't know.
Oh, of
And
course, of course. I know what to say because
yeah, okay,
I
okay.
remember that I had the same. Yeah, I do remember when I was younger. So when I went to school, I remember that I had no idea about the planets, galaxy, universe, and it was like really difficult to me, but it was really interesting. But later started learning because it was really interesting. I think it's so interesting, especially so when we watch some videos that there's some of them are really beautiful, and maybe in the future we will live on another planet. Who knows? Do you agree?
Yeah,
Yes. Wow.
yeah.
Okay, so let's read. Let's keep going. So
That's
Venus
going.
Venus has poisonous yellow cloud. Oh, why poisonous? So it's really
It's
dangerous.
yeah, it's very dangerous. And when you like you can't go to Venus because
Of
it's the
course,
hottest planet. Do you know Venus is the hottest planet in the
of
solar
course,
system?
of course.
Yeah,
It's really
and
close to the sun, so because the smallest planet is Mercury. Yeah,
yeah, and wait a minute.
yeah.
And like when like you can't step in Venus. When you have the
Let me say
spaces,
something. You said you can't.
you can't.
You can't.
All
Yeah.
the
Oh, it's
all
okay. It's okay because can't
everybody.
is it's like you said in British, but American we say can't, so it's a bit different. So we say can't. A
Yeah.
can't is like British a bit, so slightly British. So yeah, we can't. Yeah, because of course we can't step because of course. So most of planets. So we can say that except one or two planets that I don't know, maybe human could
Yeah,
step on. We are not, at least now, we are not able to step on
teacher,
any of. Yeah,
teacher,
yes.
a human could, but alien could.
Do you believe in aliens?
I don't know. I like when like Elon Musk have
Yes.
yeah,
You know him. You
yes,
know him.
yeah, and the NASA talk about aliens. I will, yeah,
Maybe.
yeah, maybe.
Actually, it's really, I think, we can say is acceptable. Like, we can think about other creatures because, we are not, maybe we are not the only creatures. Actually, I don't know, in universe. So it's a bit strange if we are maybe the only creatures, but of course, I have no idea about aliens because I'm not sure. I don't know. We hear lots of news, but I have no idea. Maybe. Oh, imagine, oh, Sarah, imagine, for example, one day, uh, they can, I don't know, they come to the earth. Oh, no way.
No, don't talk about that. I'm
No,
scared. I'm
I
scared.
don't want to talk. No, I don't want to talk about it because you're not. You told actually. I don't
I'm
believe. I don't.
scared. I'm scared. Don't talk about that. I'm scared.
Of course, you shouldn't talk about it because it's not real. Just we think about it. So no alien and just beauty of the planet. So let's talk about. Okay, let's read the rest of it, please.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Okay.
Okay, so
Neptune is the fourth largest of the eight planets. New moons are
yeah,
discovered every year for Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Wow.
Neptune. Yeah,
Neptune has winds that
that's
travel at
fast.
2,000 kilometers
Oh,
per
per hour is too fast.
It's too fast. Like I like POV, I can stand on Neptune, and the winds like this. The winds will blow
Uh,
me back there.
yeah, of course. So like, Alice in Wonderland. So
Yes,
you.
like when I step first steps. Yes, I went like POV. I go to the I have a first step
Yeah.
on the Neptune, like I standing, and then that blow me again
Of
to the.
course, actually, it's not possible to stand because you are talking about 2,000 kilometer per hour. So of course it's not possible to stand. So no way. So
Yeah, no.
yeah. So maybe we will never travel to Neptune. So we need to forget about it because it will never happen. Like, it's not possible. So let's read about Venus has poisonous yellow cloud. Okay, the next one, Mercury.
Okay, Mercury, it's the smallest planet in our solar system and it's the nearest planet to the sun. It's grand rocky. Mercury doesn't have any moons. Yeah, it
Oh,
doesn't have moons.
oh, oh, our Earth. Okay, Earth is. Why I can't hear you?
Okay, wait a minute. I
Yeah, you muted your microphone.
laptop is off the mic. Oh,
Oh, it's okay.
did my laptop have virus and did have gas?
Oh,
It's the gas.
oh, it's fine.
Okay, Earth is more rocky, and this is only planet to support life. Satellites pictures show that it's light blue with white clouds. Earth has one moon. Yeah, Earth has one moon. It's moon.
Satellite pictures show that it's light blue with
Teacher,
white clouds.
teacher,
Earth is one moon.
teacher. Earth has one moon. The name of moon is moon.
Moon, of course.
The name of that moons in only have in like the names moon of the Earth. It's moon.
Moon, of course.
Only
Yeah,
moons are
yeah, I know.
why?
So
Why it's called
okay,
moon?
okay. So you think it should have another name, like for example, okay, our moon is Alexa. Of course, it's moon.
Yeah, and do you know why the moons? One moons. Jupiter moons, like one moons, like Jupiter moons. Its name is Ceres. Why it's have name, but the moon and the Earth, its name.
Maybe. Why really? I don't know.
It's not fair. It's not fair. Not fair.
Maybe.
Not fair to Earth.
Okay, but let me say something. It's not actually our moon. So moon is moon. But we have, so it's like, I don't know. So maybe because of the meaning of the word moon, for example. Yeah, maybe because of this, okay? When we say moon, okay, because when we have, for example, Saturn has 62 moons, okay? But actually, moon is an object, maybe, I don't know, because of the form, the shape of it. So we say moon, okay? So maybe because of this. Because, I don't know, it's like maybe it's a symbol of something, or maybe because it's light. I don't know. There are different reasons. But moon is moon. So Earth is Earth. So they named. Okay, how about Mars? Is red.
Ceres, orange color. It is small, rocky, and lifeless. It is also one of the driest planets. It has two small called Phobos and Deimos. Saturn is.
Yeah, of course. So because of this, when we have more than one moon, so we need to name them so that we don't get confused. When saying, for example, which moon, this moon or that moon, moon number one, moon number two. So we say Phobos, yeah, or Deimos. So this one is better, I think. And Saturn is pale
It's yellow.
yellow.
It is famous for its thousand of bright rings.
Oh,
And it is one of the most beautiful planets in the solar system. Yeah, Saturn has 62 million more than any other planets.
Oh, that's really
God.
beautiful. I think it's really beautiful. Well, okay. Sarah, can you guess the meaning of these words? We have some words in orange, like orbit. What is the meaning of this?
Orbits like the moon's orbit Earth is a moon. It is a
Travel around. You mean travel
travel.
around, go around, of course. Very good. Discover means
Discovered like it's discovered is blue. It's like
find. Yeah, find information. Yeah, find
it's
information. How about poisonous? Oh,
not. Uh it's it's very dangerous. It's
yeah, venomous, of course. Poisonous, where it's like really dangerous, of course. Well, as you can see, we have orbit that travel around an object. It can be any object and discover, find out information. And
yeah.
poisonous, very harmful, very dangerous. Spread, make something possible.
Yeah, supports like when you have when like you have homework, you didn't know how to do that. My mom helps your mom
Help
helps
and
with
support,
that.
of course. Helps and support you, of course. Very good. Well, and now, oh, natural miracles. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Northern Lights. Can you see?
I know that. Northern
They're-
Lights, it's in the Europe. It's very
Yeah,
beautiful. Green lines on the sky.
of course, they're really beautiful. And so it happened when there is sunshine straight after rain. What is that? Which one?
Rainbows,
Wow,
rainbows.
very good. It happens when cold and warm or make electricity.
Lightning.
And see, it happens when the sun goes down at the end of the day.
Sunset.
Of course. And when the sun goes up, we say,
Ice.
very good. It appears at night, but they are caused by activity from the sun.
Northern Lights.
What?
Northern Lights.
Okay, and you can see more easily in places where there are no city lights.
Constellation.
Yeah, constellation. So there are lots of stars and they make shape. Yeah, they make a shape in the sky. So we say constellation. Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, that is really beautiful. Well, look at that. So maybe. Yeah, okay. Again, we have listening. Oh, I hate this listening. Okay, we have 5 minutes, but
Games.
yeah, let's see. Okay, just one moment.
Do you know booklet? Do you booklet? Do you know that?
Yeah, what?
Do you know booklet? Booklet, do you know that? We play booklets.
So no, because it takes time to find it. So let's play the game that we played last week. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, one moment, please. Let me share.
What's game?
Okay, choose a category.
Letters. It's easy. It's
Okay,
easy.
so let me find it. Let me find it. Letters. Oh, okay. So the first letter. Oh, it's so easy. It's not fair.
No. It's just A.
Okay. Oh, that's so easy.
A B C D E F.
After.
E, yes, F.
Of course, after.
F.
And
F.
the fourth letter.
D.
Yeah.
D.
Quick start with this letter.
Q.
The
Q.
second letter of the word average.
V.
V.
The word noon starts and ends.
N.
Yeah.
N.
This letter is after H.
B, C, D, E,
I.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
Okay, the word starts and ends with this letter.
R. A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
First letter of job.
M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, the last letter of the alphabet.
Next time, one, you say.
Hey.
Okay, Z, like
Z.
Yeah. And the second letter of the word speak.
P.
P.
Faster. The second last letter of the alphabet.
Y.
Oh.
Y.
The word tall has two of these letters.
L. Y. Oh. Y.
L.
Double L.
L.
And is there a water? Water.
W.
Faster. It's easy. The second letter of sheep.
H.
H.
Okay. And this letter is after B in the alphabet.
C.
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 Okay. Every word under begins with this letter.
U.
U.
Okay. The next one. The word two has two of this letter.
O.
O.
Okay. Say. Okay. The last letter of phone. Okay.
E.
Very good. And the word box ends with this letter.
X.
Okay. And the second letter of the alphabet.
B.
Well, of course.
B.
And the word tree begins with this letter.
T.
T.
Okay, be quick. And the word mess has two of this letter. S. Okay.
S.
And moon starts with this letter.
M.
M.
And the second and third letter of the word egg.
G.
And the last one, the first and last letter of kick.
K.
K.
Yeah, very good, Sarah. Okay, let's find your score. Oh, Sarah.
Sarah. Vietnam. Enter is go.
Yeah. Okay. Good job. So let's skip this topic, and I want you to do something, Sarah. Can you please actually I want you to search and write an article about galaxy, the universe, planets, okay, and send it to me. Can you?
Yeah, I can.
Thank you so much, my dear. So please write your article and your essay about what are you doing with your hair clip. You can style your bangs and then, yeah.
Can type it.
Of course, like, you can style your bangs and your hair using your hair clip. That's good. Okay, my beautiful, time's up and we need to go.
Okay,
Bye. Bye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.